Budget-friendly grocery shopping is an essential aspect of home management, especially for individuals or families looking to make the most of their income while maintaining a healthy and balanced diet. The ability to manage your food shopping effectively can have a significant impact on your overall household budget, helping you to reduce unnecessary spending while still enjoying nutritious and satisfying meals. By adopting some strategic approaches to grocery shopping, you can avoid overspending, minimize waste, and make your money go further. One of the most important steps in budget-friendly grocery shopping is planning. Taking the time to plan your meals for the week ahead can save you both money and time in the long run. By deciding what you will cook for each meal, you can create a shopping list that only includes the items you actually need, rather than purchasing on impulse or out of habit. Meal planning helps you avoid buying excess food that might go to waste, and it ensures that you have all the ingredients for healthy, home-cooked meals throughout the week. This not only cuts down on unnecessary trips to the supermarket, but also reduces the temptation to buy convenience foods or takeaways. Sticking to a shopping list is crucial when trying to keep your grocery budget under control. Once you have planned your meals and written down everything you need, it is important to stay focused while shopping and avoid being swayed by promotions or discounts on items that are not on your list. Supermarkets are designed to encourage impulse buying with attractive displays and special offers. However, these deals can often lead to overspending on items you may not need. By sticking to your list and only purchasing what is necessary, you can keep your spending in check and prevent food waste. Another effective way to save money on groceries is by buying in bulk when possible. Non-perishable items such as rice, pasta, canned goods, and dried legumes can often be purchased in larger quantities at a lower cost per unit. Stocking up on these staples when they are on offer can help to reduce the overall cost of your grocery bill, as you will not need to buy them as frequently. However, it is important to avoid buying perishable items in bulk unless you have a plan for using them before they spoil. Purchasing too much fresh produce or dairy, for example, could lead to waste if you are unable to consume it in time. Shopping seasonally is another great way to save money while still enjoying fresh and nutritious food. Fruits and vegetables that are in season are often cheaper and of better quality than those that are out of season and need to be imported. Seasonal produce not only supports local farmers, but also reduces the carbon footprint associated with food transportation. You can plan your meals around what is in season, which can add variety to your diet while keeping your grocery costs down. Additionally, shopping at local markets can sometimes offer better deals on fresh produce compared to large supermarkets, especially if you visit towards the end of the trading day, when sellers may reduce prices to clear stock. Being flexible with brands is also a key aspect of budget-friendly grocery shopping. Many supermarkets offer their own brand products, which are often of comparable quality to branded items, but at a lower price. By choosing supermarket own-label items over more expensive branded products, you can make significant savings on your grocery bill. For items where the difference in quality is negligible, such as tinned tomatoes or basic household goods, opting for the cheaper alternative can help you stay within your budget. It's worth trying different own-brand products to see which ones you prefer, as this can result in long-term savings. Coupons and loyalty schemes can also be beneficial when trying to reduce your grocery spending. Many supermarkets offer loyalty cards that allow you to collect points with every purchase, which can later be redeemed for money off your shopping. Some stores also offer digital coupons or discounts via their apps, which can help you save on specific items. While it's important not to be swayed by deals on items you don't need, making use of offers on products you regularly buy can be a great way to reduce costs. Being mindful of portion sizes when cooking can also contribute to more budget-friendly grocery shopping. Often we buy more food than necessary, leading to leftovers that may not always be eaten. By adjusting portion sizes to suit the needs of your household, you can reduce the amount of food you need to buy in the first place, as well as minimize waste. Leftovers can be repurposed into new meals, such as using roast chicken for sandwiches or soups, which further extends the value of your groceries. Another practical tip for managing your grocery budget is to shop less frequently. By limiting your trips to the supermarket, you can reduce the temptation to buy items on impulse and make better use of the food you already have. Try to stretch the time between shopping trips by planning meals that use up what's left in your pantry or fridge. This approach encourages creativity in the kitchen and helps to avoid unnecessary purchases. In conclusion, budget-friendly grocery shopping requires careful planning, discipline, and a willingness to be flexible with brands and meal choices. By focusing on meal planning, buying in bulk where appropriate, shopping seasonally, and taking advantage of discounts, you can significantly reduce your grocery bill without compromising on the quality of your meals. With practice, these habits become second nature, allowing you to manage your household budget effectively while still enjoying nutritious and varied meals.